Once upon a time, in the crystal-clear waters of Jamaica, there was a hidden world beneath the waves where the sun's rays danced like golden ribbons. This was the realm of the Rasta hair mermaids, a vibrant community of enchanting beings who were as colorful as the corals that surrounded them. Each mermaid was adorned with long, flowing hair that mirrored the beautiful, elaborate dreadlocks worn by Rasta people. Their locks were adorned with shells, beads, and bits of seaweed that glimmered like jewels in the sun. The Rasta hair mermaids were not just guardians of the ocean, they were celebrated healers and storytellers, carrying the wisdom of the sea in their hearts. Their voices echoed with the rhythms of reggae and the whispers of the waves, creating a symphony of sounds that could be heard by those who ventured close to their underwater world. One sunny afternoon, a young fisherman named Garnet paddled his small boat out into the turquoise waters for a day of fishing. Garnet was known in his village for his kind heart and love for the ocean. As he cast his net, a gentle sound captured his attention, a melody that seemed to dance on the breeze. Curious, he followed the sound, guiding his boat toward a glimmering spot where the water sparkled like diamonds. As he approached, the water swirled with iridescent hues, and out of the depths emerged a group of Rasta hair mermaids. Their hair flowed gracefully around them, resembling the gentle sway of sea anemones, and their skin shimmered in the sunlight like the ocean surface on a calm day. They laughed and sang in a language that swirled with the cadence of Jamaica. "Welcome, kind boy," said a mermaid with hair entwined with vibrant colors of red, gold, and green, the colors of the Rasta flag. "I am Lucilda, guardian of these waters. What brings you to our sacred space?" Garnet's heart raced in awe, for he had never seen such beauty. "I was fishing, but I couldn't resist your song. It feels like the ocean itself is calling to me," he replied, captivated by Lucilda's radiant smile. Lucilda and her sisters giggled and twirled around him, their laughter sounding like the tinkling of shells. "The sea has its way of drawing the curious and the kind," she said. "Many seek riches, but true treasure lies in understanding and protecting the ocean." Intrigued, Garnet asked, "How can I help?" The mermaids shared tales of their role as keepers of the ocean, healing the corals and caring for sea creatures. They spoke of pollution and overfishing, of how humans had forgotten their connection to the sea. "Will you join us in our quest?" Lucilda asked, her eyes shimmering with hope. "We need friends from the land to share our stories and spread the word of preservation." Without hesitation, Garnet agreed. From that day forward, he became the bridge between the mermaids and his village. He told stories of the Rasta hair mermaids and their wisdom, encouraging his people to respect the ocean and its delicate balance. He organized beach cleanups, teaching others the importance of keeping the waters pure for both mankind and mermaidkind. As Garnet spent more time with Lucilda and her friends, he learned about the secrets of the ocean and its magical creatures. He embraced the soul of reggae music and discovered the healing power of the sea. Together, they hosted underwater festivals, uniting villagers and mermaids in celebration of life, love, and the rhythm of the tides. Over time, the bond between the people of the village and the Rasta hair mermaids deepened. The villagers planted gardens near the shore, growing herbs and plants that reminded them of the mermaids' home. They decorated their boats in colors of red, gold, and green, honoring the connection they had forged. As the years passed, the Rasta hair mermaids continued to thrive, protected by the love and respect shared between the two worlds. And Garnet, once just a fisherman, became a legend, a keeper of stories and a guardian of the ocean, reminding all who heard him that the most profound treasures lay not in riches, but in harmony with the sea. And so, in the shimmering waters of Jamaica, where reggae beats echoed through the waves and the sun kissed the surface with warmth, the Rasta hair mermaids danced freely, forever grateful to their human friend who helped them preserve the magic of their underwater realm.